Tonight, the Knights of Columbus, the Binarostro Council, and District C16 and the Bishop George Berlin Assembly will render this necrological service in honor of the late Sir Knight Francisco C. Asetri. The program will proceed as follows. First is the entry of callers, entry of dignitaries, officials, and member knights, headed by Sir Knight Errol P. Divina, the Corps Commander. And the second part is the opening statement by yours truly, Sir Knight Rolando Esperha, the Deputy Grand Knight of the Binarostro Council. The third part is our order, the Knights of Columbus and its Dead by Sir Knight Ernesto K. Imperial, Faithful Navigator. The fourth part is the eulogies as a friend by Sir Knight Edgardo B. Bongolto, past Faithful Navigator. And as a knight by Sir Knight P.U.D. Didesi, past Grand Knight. And as a father by Cherry Asetri, the daughter. The fifth part is the intermission hymn entitled Nearer My God to Thee, to be sung by all members knights. The sixth is the presentation of the Council of the resolution condolence to be received by Mrs. Flavia Asetri, wife, to be given by Sir Knight Nelson Joa, the Financial Secretary, and the perpetual mascard to be received by Ms. Flavia Asetri, wife, to be given by Sir Knight Gavino Guerra Jr., Treasurer,